Good day, everyone! We are the Lasallian Youth Mathematicians.
Today, we're going to be showing to you guys on how to evaluate theoretical functions using limit theorems.
But before we start, let us introduce ourselves. I'm Charlotte Prava.
I'm Audrey Villanueva.
I'm Goyna Halver.
I'm Desiree Sigumalian.
And I'm Silvia James Daniel.
So first, let us define some terms that will be used in solving the limit involving a radical. Do you have any idea of the word limit? Limit is simply defined as the backbone of calculus.
How about radical functions? Radical functions is defined in a root. This function contains square root, cube root, or any entry.
In solving the problems given, there are three steps that we always remember. First, try using the substitution theorem. It works most of the time. If direct substitution fails, 0/0, manipulate the equation using the derivatives like factoring, rationalize, or CV, or many more. And lastly, find a function that is equivalent to the regular function and set up one point. Then use the direct substitution again. So, let's begin.
This is our first example here. Limit of square root of 7x plus 9 over x plus 1 as x approaches 1. Based on our steps, our first step will be direct substitution. So substitute all the x's to 1. 7 times 1 plus 9 over 1 plus 1 is equals to square root of 7 times 1 is equal to 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. So square root of 16 over 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So we should get the square root of 16. Square root of 16 is 4. And copy the denominator 2. So we should simplify 4 over 2 is equals to 2 over 1 or simply 2. Always remember that we should simplify our final answer if it is needed.
So our first step will always be direct substitution. So substitute all the x's to 4. So we have square root of 4 plus 5 minus 3 over 4 minus 4. So first we have to add 4 plus 5. Copy the square root sign. 4 plus 5 is 9 minus 3 over 4 minus 4 is 0. So the square root of 9 is 3. Copy 3 minus 3 and copy the denominator 0. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 and copy also the denominator over 0. Since the answer is 0 over 0, we should proceed to step 2. So in step 2, we first have to copy the equation square root of x plus 5 minus 3 over x minus 4. So we have to multiply it to what is called its conjugate. So the conjugate of our numerator will be square root of x plus 5 plus 3. So what the conjugate does is that it takes its sign in between the terms and switches it to its opposite sign. So the conjugate of our numerator, instead of negative 3, will be using positive 3. So same goes with the denominator. We just have to copy what is in the numerator in the denominator. So square root of x plus 5 plus 3. So we multiply square root of x plus 5 to square root of x plus 5 here because they are the same. Same as negative 3 times positive 3. So the answer of square root of x plus 5 times square root of x plus 5 will be x plus 5 and the negative 3 times positive 3 will be negative 9 over, just copy the denominator here which is x minus 4, multiply to square root of x plus 5 plus 3. So guys, as you can see, or if you notice that there is no square root here anymore, it is because when you multiply square root of x plus 5 to itself, square root of x plus 5, it will be squared. So if you square a term which has a square root, you will cancel the square root like that and just complete this. That's why our answer here is x plus 5. So x positive 5 minus 9 will be equal to negative 4 over, just copy the denominator, x plus 5 plus 3. So as you can see, the denominator is the same with the numerator, then you just have to cancel this out. After you cancel, guys, always remember that there is always a value here, which is 1. Then the answer will be 1 over square root of x plus 5 plus 3. Then we can proceed down to step 3.
So in step 3, we have to copy the answer in step 2. So 1 over square root of x plus 5 plus 3. So we have to substitute x to 4. 4 plus 5. Then 1 over 4 plus 5 is equal to square root of 9 plus 3. Square root of 9 is 3, then copy 3. 1 over 3 plus 3 is 6. So the final answer will be 1 over 6.
To add some more information in solving radical functions, if your answer is 0 over positive or negative number, the answer will be 0.
If you got positive negative number over 0, the function does not exist.